My battery just died on my Camry key, so I'm gonna just show you guys how to fix it. Key will slide out. You can literally use this key to pry this open. It's a little too thick, so just use your hands. There you go, everything just exploded. And here is the battery. It's a 2032. So what you literally want to do is just go ahead and pry on here, this little tab. This battery should come out. There you go. Battery's out. Old battery here. New battery's here. 2032. Go ahead and slide it in between these two tabs first, and then press down. Okay, and you can verify that it works. See the little light? Now, I'm gonna go ahead and put this thing into this gum. Okay, this is gonna be for my buttons. All right, it's lined up. Shut this thing out. Verify that it works. Perfect. Slide the key inside, and you're done.
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a